Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new video, and in this video I asked my mom to choose my makeup products, like my full face, eyeshadow, foundation, everything, even primer and setting spray. So if you want to see the products she chose, then continue watching. And I am hiding my face because I don't want you guys to see the final look, so stay tuned and keep on watching to see. I did my brows off camera just to let the video flow a little bit, so we're just going to jump right into the products my mom chose for me. So for primer, mommy chose the e.l.f. poreless face primer, but I'm just going in with the primer, and it's silicone based. It actually feels good. It doesn't feel bad at all. That was a good choice, mommy. I forgot about that primer, so that was a good choice. For foundation, she chose the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid foundation, and I used the shade 420W. This is quite similar to the Nars Radiant, so I'm happy about that. I'm super happy about this choice because I really love that foundation. So that's the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation. The concealer to highlight is the Fenty ProFiltr concealer in 390. Going to go in with a little bit more of the concealer. And let that sit for a little bit. For like as a loose powder to set my highlighted areas, she chose the translucent powder by Laura Mercier. I'm a tad bit nervous with this powder because I've never used it alone before on myself, so I'm just going to take a little bit of it, stamp it off, and then set my highlighted areas. Definitely not going to even attempt to bake with this powder because ooh, okay, actually not bad. I just get in with a little bit of this powder. And for all of her face powder, of course she chose the L'Oreal Infallible because she didn't really have many options in that department. So I'm using my regular old L'Oreal Infallible pressed powder. That's the powder I also use to contour my nose. So I'm going to go in and do that. And that will soften up the front of my brow. I don't know who else that was bothering, but that was bothering me. So I use that powder to soften the front of my brow, the beginning of my brow. Bam. Bronze slash contour. Mommy chose one of the powders from the Revolution Glow. I did a review on this product. It would have been uploaded before this video, so you can check, or I can leave it in the iCards. You can check the iCards section right here for my demo and first impressions on this product. So she chose the shade dark, thank God, because if it was deep dark, it would have been a struggle. So I'm just going to go in with the bronzer, and I think she chose this one because it was on top. Really, I just got it, so it was right there. I think I need a lot of this product because the foundation is actually a little bit darker than my skin, just the way I like it actually. Alright, so I'm going to do a little, like something a little bit risky. I'm going to take the Laura Mercier translucent powder and kind of sharpen up the contour. It's really a bronzer, but just to give my face a little bit more shape, I'm going to go in with the loose powder. Can I take up a little bit too much? So that is, oh my gosh, mommy didn't choose a blush. Oh, so I don't have any unless she didn't choose a blush. I don't think I wrote blush on the list I gave her, so that's my fault. Okay, so for eyeshadow she chose the My Little Pony palette from Colourpop Cosmetics, and instead of like me choosing the colors to use, I asked her to choose four numbers between 1 and 12 because that's the amount of shadows that's in this palette, and she chose 3, 8, 1 and 6. So 3, 8, 1 and 6. I don't know what I'm going to do with these shades, but I'm going to try and finesse something. So the only matte shade I have is this one here, and it is Applejack, and this is basically, I don't even know what you call this shade. This is just like a highlighting shade. This can I have an idea. You see, I'm smart. Okay, alright, so I'm just going to put this shade right under my brow bone. Okay, I shouldn't have put that there, but I blend. I shouldn't have done that. That was a mistake. So to finesse this look, I am going to go in, because since I don't have a matte like a matte shadow to put in my crease, I'm going to actually go in with my bronzer. So I'm taking my bronzer and a Morphe M441 brush, and I'm just going to put this in my crease to warm up my crease. couldn't work with only shimmers. That would be that's like a bridge I cannot cross right now. I need to go in with my concealer just to kind of prime my lids. I'm going to go in with 3 first, which is this gold shade. For my inner corner, I'm going to mix 1 and 8 because 1, which is a white, will be too bright. So I'm going to mix this and the white and put it in my inner corner. Don't worry, I haven't forgotten about 6. I'm going to line my lower lash line with a black liner she chose, and this is the Princess of Kohl eyeliner in black, and I'm going to use this to line my waterline. Mommy chose the Colored Rain Rain Fever liquid lipstick, so I'm thinking to use this as an eyeliner, like for my top lash. So it actually fell and shattered, and I used a little hack. I used alcohol to put it back together. So I'm really not sure if I'm going to get the glow I really want, but let's see. Okay, it's good, it's nice, it glows. Still pretty, but I start to use this. And for lips, she chose Colored Rain Rain Fever. This is the same product I use as a liner. So just going to put that on my lips. And finally, for a setting / illuminating spray, we chose the Monto Cute Illuminate Hydrating Glow Mist. Big up mommy because you know the good things them. So I'm just going to go in with this spray. Right. Okay, I kind of overdid it, but you get the gist. I'm just going to go in with my beauty sponge and press it into my skin. And that completes the look. What you guys think? Did mommy do well? Did she do good? She chose like nice products. How did I do with the eyeshadow? Like, that's the question, because the ones she selected, I didn't see the vision, but this is what I came up with. I hope you guys like it. I hope I did my mom proud. So thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button down below. Leave a comment. Let me know what you're thinking, your thoughts on the look, and who else do you think should choose my makeup products? I could ask a subscriber to choose my products. Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.